Happy Friday, and welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay. I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis, so make sure you have those notifications turned on. That way YouTube will notify you every time a new job lead is posted. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. So always do your own research before providing personal information to any of these companies. But with that being said, let's just dive on in. Today's job lead is from United Healthcare. So this is a healthcare job lead. They are looking for a provider data specialist to work remotely from home. And if you don't already work with United Healthcare and you are considered an external applicant or applying for the first time, or working there for the first time, you will get a $1,000 sign-on bonus. Now, they are looking for someone who has relationship building and analytical skills. It says you'll enjoy the flexibility to telecommunicate from anywhere within the United States. They're looking for someone to help manage their provider data and maintain and improve their databases. They're looking for someone to report and extract data for various reports for analysis, help develop and maintain standards for their database integrity and quality assurance, coordinate corrective activities to clean databases and retain users. You'll assist in audits and data quality improvement initiatives. Some work is completed without established procedures. Basic tasks are completed without review of others, so supervision guidance is required for higher level tasks. So you need to be a self-starter and be self-motivated. They do just have a few requirements. A high school diploma or GED is required, but no college degree is required. 2 years experience in the healthcare industry, 2 years experience of claim or data entry, and you need to know how to use Microsoft Excel. Now, they do prefer someone who has customer service or medical terminology or coding experience, but that is not required. Now, if you scroll all the way down, of course, salary is always dependent not only on the experience you bring to the table, but also your location. The salary range for Colorado residents is $16 an hour to $26.88 an hour. It says Connecticut and Nevada residents, $16.83 an hour to $29.66 an hour. The rest of the states are not published because these are the states that have a federal law that require the salary to be published. So you would have to ask them your exact salary at the time of the interview, but pay for this position can be as low as $16 an hour or as high as $29 an hour. They do also offer a standard benefit package with health insurance, 401k, paid time off, and all the things. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.